Hello folks, today we're doing an inspection on steel siding. Steel siding is some really great stuff, but it has the tendency of doing what we see going on here. You see, it's been up here long enough now that it's starting to flake. And so we're getting down to on the back side of this, and so this can start to rust. And how do you know it's going to start to rust? Look at that. Is because when we come back down here, look here, see how it's rusting out? This is what happens. Now, what really is going on is when you see it rusting like this from the outside, you know it's got serious rust behind it. This was the problem with the steel siding, and why we don't see it really being used anymore is because the rusting, they guarantee it not to rust, but not from the back side. Only on the front side. Well, that's where all the moisture happens to gather up, you know, behind the walls and such, and there you got a problem. Well, thanks for watching our videos. I appreciate it, folks. Hey, hit Galloway, like, subscribe, Galloway Building Services. We appreciate everything that you're doing for us, and follow us.